Austin, look, here. You look so handsome though. Come on, keep it on. Here, let's fix it. Let's fix it. There. It's so cute on you. It's so cute on you. Oh, you got it off. What happened? You're gonna fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. You want to wear the hat? You want to wear it?